and we're here today at Day at the Farm, which is an annual event that we host every year in partnership with the Westham Island Herb Farm, which is where we're sitting today. And this is a beautiful farm. It's 130 acres, and they have welcomed us to their farm site. We're expecting quite a few thousands of people to appear today and to take in the beauty of this farm and learn more about farm life and wildlife in Westham Island.
How long has this been happening?
Yeah, so this is the 14th year that it's been operating since 2007, and we took a pause during COVID. So this is our first year back post-COVID, and we're really excited to be hosting it again.
And what's the highlight of this that people like the most?
Oh my gosh, there's so many things. There's so much to do here. It's a great family event, first and foremost, so tons of activities for kids of all ages. We also have a potato dig, which is a really big fan favorite for many people. Many people love to come and do that every year, so you can dig up your own potatoes, which for some folks who are living in the city, that may be the first time that they've ever dug up potatoes, so that's an exciting event that we offer. We also have a hay wagon tour, and on the tour you'll see all the different crops that are in the field, and you'll also learn more about how wildlife interact with farm fields on Westham Island and in Delta in general.
And what is the cost of coming? What are the costs?
It's free to attend the event. It's open to everyone, and we are only able to do that through the generous sponsorship from many, many supporters. So we're so thrilled to be able to offer that.
Hello, I'm Jack Bates. I'm a local Delta farmer, and we have a farm just not on Westham Island, but on the other side of the bridge, and we grow potatoes, blueberries, and we have a herd of dairy cows. It's been a late season. The blueberry season just ended, but and it was sort of a light crop due to poor pollination, but the prices were strong, and and potato crops are going to be later because of the late spring, but everything's going to work out.
How long have you been involved with this event?
I've been involved with this event since the start of it, and I was involved on the board of directors in the trust in the 1990s, and I served as chair for 4 years, and I served my 6 years, and now I'm back on in my second year, and I'm vice chair, and it's good to see the organization moving forward.